Moving on to the Riv, baby. We got a shitload accomplished over here. As you can see, we have a floor pan. A floor. If you've been following along, you know what kind of adventure we've been on with this thing. We handmade literally everything that you're seeing in here. Last video you saw, I think we had a couple of pieces made. We had to do the middle pieces. Well, we've moved on and we are tidying everything up. We are at a point where we have enough tacked in and enough welded in that the body's going to come off the frame. We're going to go on a rotisserie. The firewall is going to be cut out, and we're going to finish off the firewall down to here and make everything pretty. As you can see, lots and lots and lots and lots of welding had to occur in here, and lots and lots and lots of engineering and fabrication and metal shaping and things of that nature. You know, when it comes to building things like this, safety is just like the other truck. Safety is our number one concern, and you can't just put random pieces of metal in here. There's another organization out there that makes floor pans for this, and it's 20 gauge junk. Well, I don't know how to fucking put it any lighter. It's 20 gauge, but you can see that this stuff is solid as a rock now. We put the proper bead rolls and everything where we wanted it to be. The structure is sound. I don't remember last time if we showed you, but again, the 3-step process. All the cross members from underneath are all treated. Everything, all the rust was knocked out as much as we could. We wire wheeled everything. We cleaned everything. We came in, we did a rust inhibitor and then a rust reformer and then a sealer system. So if your guy who's working on your vehicles ain't doing that, maybe you should ask him why, because we want this stuff to last, and that's what we're here for, to make this shit last. I don't ever want to see any of this stuff ever again. And by means of that, I don't want to fucking work on it ever again. So that's why we go into so much depth. Like with the safety over there, the rust treatment here, you know, that's just the route we have to go with it.